What do you mean? How could I think I would say the Delta special service? No. لو شرحنا بس ودقينا هذا نصون نقنا هنا مثلا نروح لنا قبل
Oh, you come here. I know. Yeah. Hey.
Ay, ite ku dhuumanaysay. Dalmar.
And Sophia Egal.
Yes.
I just need to see your ID and the
Hi,
signature.
hi.
Abdi. Jande.
والله خميس لا
والله شهوات
لا والله بايو
Life aku cerita no ya.
dan baru nak biar aku
Okay. Don't know. Yeah, there's construction up here. I'll tell you a couple things here.
Thôi ka ba hoy.
nói cả với à
خلاص كرة.
يا
خلاص تصرح استطاع زمزم قوال زي تكسرها
Your passport's in here. And this is for the green card until the one comes in the mail, okay? So it should be coming in the mail as you travel, so that's very important. And then there's some things to read here as far as medical things in the bag, that's good, okay? I'll put everything in here for you.
Thank you so much.
So we should not do nothing about green card. You have to wait, right?
You have to wait, but the green card is that visa, the paper, and that's your green card for now.
هذا كاس فيزا أهانو سياسنا أي كاس جرين أهانو سياسنا
You're welcome. Yes, boy. This is always a happy moment.
Hi,
So
dear.
much.
Thank you so much.
Let me, you can have the card. I'll give it to my stuff.
Oh, this is stuff.
oh I miss you
Okay, you guys are all set. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you, young man.
bye
Abang salah yang
Sam. Wait, ujeeda salma soomaan. Ya? Hooy asxaabtaada reer Facebook ilaa iyo shalay ilaa iyo xarab ku soo duceynayeen intaas farka soo aheyd. Wada salaan, mahad celi.
واني wada salaamay oo isu soo
Hooyadeeda waxay istay already Samsam waa imaanaynaa waan noo imaanaya insha Allah. Oo salaamayna macaanto asxaabta thank you so much waa salaamaya gabadhaydi waatan Dalmar inaan lunta ma rabtaa inta ku dhex lumaysa صباح let's go waa idin salaamo asxaabta love you guys shalala Samsam guriga ka soo waceynaa